Everybody, welcome back to Britpop's Reactor.
Hello.
With us, me, BP1 and BP2 over there. It's Metal Monday. It's Slayer. Now, I don't know anything other than about Slayer, other than we've talked about it because there's something to do with the Chile lead singer or something, and we were debating doing it, but there weren't a full Chilean band, so we didn't do them.
That's correct, yeah. And Chewy and his mama were a bit upset, so we said, let's keep the peace. We'll put them in as a Metal Monday, and here we are. So let's crack on with
whoever this lot are. Slayer, Rain in Blood, 2010.
Wild One. Oh yes. Wall of Death.
That's a lot of amps.
Uh, 36 amps by the looks of it. He's got old Leo's beard.
Oh, are we still here, are we? Is that Inspector Gadget? No. There you go. Not
Wow.
one thing. No offence.
No.
Well, we only just started it, so let's see where it goes. But straight away, it's too heavy for me at the moment.
Yep.
But
okay. Well,
interesting beginning, wasn't it? Sort of like that build up,
Brilliant.
intense, you know, funny.
yeah. I mean, just you know, the guitar feedbacks. Like I say, I think there's about 36 amps up there. So I mean, that must be some big estate car they've got to get all them in there. Slayer, American thrash metal. So you know, thrash is probably just slightly out of our cup of tea range. I think we did. Well, let's carry on. From Huntington Park, California, formed in 1981 by guitarist Kerry King and Jeff Hanneman, drummer Dave Lombardo, bassist vocalist Tom Araya. They are made up, or they're basically one of the big four bands of thrash, which alongside Metallica, Megadeth, we've done both of those, and Anthrax, who we haven't done. So the band that I was expecting to be in there, that we did with the really quick guitar, and who is that? It's gone now.
The Dragon one from the UK.
Dragon Force, yeah, Dragon Force. Are they not thrash metal, or maybe just not one of the top four? Anyway, so this is Slayer, thrash metal, already a bit fast for me, but let's see how it goes. Maybe it goes into a little bit of a slow.
Yeah. Or the other way. So because I play the guitar, I've got an appreciation for what they're doing. I understand what they're doing, and I get it. It's just not what I like. So for me, I don't really enjoy it. I know what they're doing. I know what it's meant to be, and how the lyrics are, and it's there and it's on, but it's just not my. It's not my cup of tea, is it?
No, it's not quite my cup of tea either. I mean, it's kind of sort of, I don't know, drill metal or something to me. It's just, you know, the drumming again. I appreciate the drumming. I mean, he's keeping a fasto beat going there. I guess what will probably happen is we'll get comments. You should have gone with the video, because I can't quite understand many of the lyrics. And talking about the lyrics and the artwork, it says on what I got here, deal with quite heavy topics from murder, serial killers, the occult. And this has generated a lot of albums being banned, delays, lawsuits, criticism from religious groups, and so on and so forth. But a lot of other artists and bands, cite these guys as the influence for them. So they are sort of well known for that. And the band's third album, Reign of Blood, from 1986, is described as one of the heaviest and most influential thrash metal band's albums. So they're top of the game. Just different tea for different folk.
Well, exactly.
Bit too much for me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get us to the red goblin. Again.
Oh, it's like I've tuned my radio. I'm trying to tune my radio. That's what it's like. I'm trying to tune it.
Tune your CB radio in. Hello, good buddy. Whoa.
Yeah, 5 FF. I mean, it's too
quite
much. There's
hard,
a little bit there after about 3 minutes 20. This bit reminded me a bit like a Nightwish type. Yeah, that's we're there.
Yeah.
And then it just went back into this craziness of
well,
sound.
they kicked it up another gear, didn't they? Then and then just went even madder. I mean, the drummer just went, all right, I've warmed up now. My Achilles heels are all sorted. But funny. I'm not quite sure what these passed me by, but we're giving it a go. We're
giving it a go, and if you like our reaction, remember our reaction can be anything. Hit that like button, always help us out on the channel, regardless of which.
Yes.
So yeah, all right, let's keep going then.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. I mean, for me, it's just a wall of noise.
Yeah.
It's not particularly music. It's thrash metal. That's what they do. That's what they do. It's just not for my ears, really.
No. I mean, I'm not quite sure. Yeah. People will be into that as we are into Michael Jackson and Mariah Carey. you know, all different styles for different people. That just wasn't quite. If it wasn't, you know, I mean, we got this with the Tool one from last week. Don't do them live. Their album stuff is better. It's what they're renowned for. Don't even bother doing them live. So we may go back and check out another Tool one at some stage. We may have to do the same with these guys. But for me, a bit too much.
Okay, would I listen to it again? No, I wouldn't. Sorry, I wouldn't
Not
listen
this
to it again.
one, no.
So it doesn't even get 7 for me. Ooh.
No.
6.7 because it was the musicianship's good.
I mean, yeah. For me, even again, I mean, I'm coming in at 6.3, and that's probably the reverse of the 36 amps that they had up there.
Yeah. There you go. Let us know in the comments, what did you think? I mean, if you're a thrash metal fan, then you probably loved it.
Yep.
Like I say, I mean, no disrespect, it's just not our thing, but we give it a go. That's who Slayer are. And until next time, we'll see what brings us next Monday.
Yep, they'll probably hate everything else on our channel if they like that. But there you go. Well done, guys.
Goodbye from me over there.
Goodbye from him. Whew, Slade.